Back with another one. Now I'm out right now. I'm in Detroit. You know what I'm saying? We off the Riverwalk right now. But we got the drone, man. First time, you know what I'm saying, bringing the drone out in the morning. I just got this drone yesterday, but you know what I'm saying, I'm vlogging all of this for y'all. But yeah, it's a beautiful day. Beautiful day. Let me get day. Can't really see looking at the sun, but we at the Riverwalk right now. You know what I'm saying? Just doing a little vlog. Doing a little vlog for y'all. But yeah, man, so it's early. I don't even think it's 10 o'clock yet. It's probably like 9 o'clock. But yeah, I want to take this to the Ambassador Bridge, man. I wonder can it make it to the Ambassador Bridge? It's kind of far from where I'm at, but we about to see, man. We about to see how this go, man. So yeah, man. We about to get some footage for y'all. So make sure you tune in to your boy Yon World. I just wanted to document this little quick video. I might record me setting it up and shit too. I'm gonna record me setting it up so y'all can see that. I'm gonna go down, I'm gonna do a little open spot. That shit stable. Yeah, man. So about to set up the drone, man. They don't know what's about to happen, man. We about to do some 2025 shit, boy. Oh, you gotta. I still don't know how to use this motherfucker. I don't even got the battery in my shit. Be tucking my chain on, my shit dangling, swinging everywhere. I wonder, will it even survive? Alright, once you get the battery in there, then you can flip it out. This shit is a whole task. Power it on up. This shit like setting up a game, dog. And you gotta cut on the app. Let me show y'all this shit, bro. So you can see this shit live. If I walk in front of it, you see it, everything. I'm about to take off right now. This shit crazy. Alright, y'all. I gotta focus on this stuff. Yeah, man. Hold on, let me bring it to me. This shit is sweet as hell to me. Look at this shit. This shit right here. It's right next to me. There ain't nothing but shit in this grass, bro. But look at this shit. This shit sweet as fuck. And it's just stable. It'll stay there. It'll stay there the whole time. So yeah, man. I'm trying to do too much. Let me I'll get back at y'all though. I'll get back at y'all.